When enterprises expand globally, choosing the right payment gateway can make or break cross-border growth. Two of the biggest players in this space are Adyen and Worldpay. Both serve high-volume businesses with international operations, but they differ in their structure, flexibility, and how they handle multi-currency transactions. Adyen is a full-stack platform built around the idea of unified commerce. That means it connects online, mobile, and in-person payments under one system. The big advantage is that you can view all global transactions in one place, making reconciliation and reporting much easier. Adyen is also known for local acquiring in many regions, which can lead to higher approval rates and lower processing costs, since transactions can be handled within the same country rather than routed internationally. Its dashboard feels modern and intuitive, which helps large teams manage complex payment data without confusion. Adyen also supports hundreds of local payment methods, giving customers around the world a familiar way to pay. From digital wallets to regional cards, the platform adjusts to local market preferences. That flexibility is key when selling to international audiences. Pricing tends to be transparent, though enterprise agreements are customized based on volume and region. Worldpay, on the other hand, is a long-established player with a huge global reach. It is used by many large retail chains, airlines, and hospitality companies that need stable, reliable payment processing across continents. Worldpay supports an impressive range of currencies and markets, and its experience with high transaction volumes makes it a trusted name in enterprise payments. It also integrates with many alternative payment methods and local wallets, which helps businesses appeal to international buyers. One of Worldpay's strongest points is its network scale and infrastructure. It operates across hundreds of markets, giving enterprises deep reach and strong redundancy. That said, because of its size and enterprise focus, onboarding can feel more formal and less plug-and-play compared to newer platforms. Pricing models can also vary depending on transaction type, market, and contract terms. In practice, the best choice often comes down to where you sell most and how your payment volume is distributed. For companies scaling across major international markets with digital storefronts, Adyen offers speed, clarity, and unified data. For legacy enterprises that need deep country coverage and tailored enterprise contracts, Worldpay remains a strong and proven option. Both are leaders in cross-border payment processing, but their strengths reflect different philosophies. Adyen focuses on streamlined innovation, while Worldpay delivers scale and reliability on a global stage.